feel like I have to shout over that. So I've got Ken here from OXS who's going to show us these really compact, I say it's very loud.
Yeah, it's very loud.
Really compact soundbar, so yeah.
This is the world's first Dolby Atmos 7.1.2 channel gaming soundbar system, coming with the world's first Salon X speakers.
Oh, right.
That performing 2 real surrounding sounds.
Okay.
So together like this, it makes you the 360-degree sound.
Okay,
So
can I
basically,
pop that on?
yeah, sure.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah. This one you mount it on top of the gaming chair.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah.
strapped around my neck or something like that.
Yeah. So basically in front we have 8 channels performing, including left, right channel, center speaker, side surrounding channels, and then also the top channels. Top channel, they direct the sound to the ceiling and then reflect to you. And also the 2 rear surrounding sounds. So together they build up a 360-degree sound system.
That's very cool, yeah. Whoa, that's good. It's pretty impressive. For it being so compact, I mean, that's just under your monitor, isn't it? Yeah.
So this one actually is shorter than a 27-inch screen monitor.
Wow, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't that awesome? Yeah. Well, and what's this one called? This is this Thunder Pro.
Thunder Pro Plus.
There we go.
Sorry, excuse me.
Okay, cool. So this is a subwoofer that can go with it as well, really. You've really got a really popular demo here today, haven't you? Yeah. So OXS, there we go. So tell us about that. Yeah, wow, cool, yeah.
So this is a wireless external subwoofer that we designed special for Thunder Pro series gaming soundbar and also gaming speaker system. It's connecting to the soundbar with a 5.G Wi-Fi, and then also the power of this one is 60 wattage, maximum goes up to 120 wattage, and it's going to be available in the market by Q1 next year.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's great. Oh, thanks, Ken. Thanks for that quick demo. Appreciate you, buddy. Yeah. Well done. Okay, we'll just get this in before the battery goes. Yeah. So tell us about these.
So this is the latest gaming speaker bookshelf-like speakers that we're developing for the market. And it's a Dolby Atmos 3.1.2 channel system. And it also is compatible with the gaming, the Salon X speakers, and also the wireless subwoofer we just talked about. These bookshelf gaming speakers, we're gonna do crowdfunding by end of October, and then first shipment out in November this year, and then in open market it's gonna be available by Q1 next year.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, great set of products. Yeah. Thanks, Ken. Appreciate you showing me around.